The point 8, 14 is on the graph of y equals f of x. For part A, find a point on the graph of the function where y equals f of x plus 4. And then part B, find a point on the graph of the function where y equals f of x plus 4. So let's take a look at part A. So we want to find a point on the graph of the function where y is equal to f of x plus 4. To find a point on the graph of the function y equals x plus 4, if a function's g is defined by the following where y equals f of x minus c, where c is a real number, then for every point xy on the graph of f, there will be a corresponding point x plus c, comma y on the graph. So we're looking at this particular function here. So let's write this out. We have y, which is equal to f of x plus 4. Now we need to rewrite this in the form of x minus a constant here. So this is going to be f of x minus negative 4. So in this case here, this is what c equals. C is equal to negative 4. So for step number 3, we determined that c is equal to negative 4. And now what we're going to do is we want to find the form where it says x plus c, comma y. So we determined what c equals in step number 3, which is negative 4. And if we look at the order pair up here, we know that x is equal to 8. And we can see that y is equal to 14. So we have 8, c is negative 4, and we know that y is 14. So therefore, the new order pair with that shift is going to be 4, comma 14. Let's go ahead and plug that in. So here we're going to type in the order pair, 4, comma 14. Let's check our answer, and there is our result. Now we want to find a point on the graph of the function where y is equal to f of x plus 4. Okay, so we want to find a point on the graph of the function where y is equal to f of x plus 4 if a function g is defined by the following. Y is equal to f of x plus c, where c is a real number. Then for every point xy on the graph of f, there will be a corresponding point x, comma y plus c. So let's write out what we're looking for, which is y, which is equal to the function plus 4. Okay, so what we need to do is determine what is f of x, where this is the value of 4. Well, that tells us that in this problem, this is telling us that c is equal to positive 4. Okay, and so what we want to do is we want to find the order pair where it is x and then y plus c. Okay, so now we know that c is equal to positive 4. We know our order pair has x equals 8 and then y equals 14. So let's go ahead and solve this. We know that x is 8. We know that the y value is 14, and we need to add 4 to it, which is c. So we get the following order pair, 8, comma 14 plus 4, which is 18. Let's go ahead and plug that in. So we have comma 8, comma 14, actually 18 there, and then let's check our answer. Okay, now let's just take a look at Desmos so we can see what's happening with those order pairs. So let's first plot our first order pair that was given in the question, and that was 8, comma 14. Okay, so we're going to label that point, okay, and you can see where it is located here. So there is 8, 14. Now what we did is, because this was x plus 4, we shifted it to the left 4 units. So that means that the x value decreased 4 units, but the y value stayed the same. So if you take a look here, this point shifted horizontally 4 units. Okay, now let's take a look at the next one, which is 8, 18. So we have 8, comma 18. Okay, now the x value stayed the same, but what happens is we shifted it up 4 units because that's what it was telling us. The function was being added by 4. Just a graphical way to then just represent this particular result.